Hi, Brian with Emigh's Outdoor Living in Sacramento, Emigh's Outdoor Living of El Dorado Hills, and we're here to talk about the Recteq wood-fired pellet grills. Great new line of grills we're carrying here, and this is the DualFire grill from Recteq. Super excited about this. We were one of 20 Recteq diamond dealers throughout the U.S. that carry the DualFire. This is a grill that has two separate cooking chambers on it. So you have a grill that you can cook at high temperatures, a grill that you can cook at low temperatures, or vice versa. Comes with 4 meat probes, so 4 different meat probes that go into your food, so you can cook at different temperatures. If you're cooking a pork butt or you're cooking a steak and you want those done at different temperatures, gives you the ability to do that. Also Wi-Fi controlled, so you can access this grill through your phone. Comes with 2 hoppers on the back, so you have, for 2 cooking chambers, you have 2 separate wood hoppers here. So you can fill these with 25 pounds of wood pellets on each side. And this is the Recteq DualFire. We're really excited about it to be carrying it here at Emigh's Outdoor Living. Again, come on down and see us.